And now we've got Clint Emerson coming to teach us at the Protector Symposium 6.0 Apocalypse, right? So I wanted to focus more on all the different skills it takes to survive and thrive in emergency. Clint Emerson is a legend in our space for 100 deadly skills on multiple different topics on the spectrum of what it takes to really truly be a protector, a combatant, a survivalist. He is an absolute legend and wealth of knowledge in this space. He's gonna come and he's gonna teach us about emergency management planning, risk, threat, vulnerability assessments. This is something that he's been doing for elites and for some of the top fighting forces. He's got an amazing background as a SEAL, doing a lot of different things, and he's gonna bring those skills to us here. Emergency management planning, risk assessments, all these different things. This is an important soft skill that will help you thrive, assess risk, plan, and put you and your family in a position to be able to survive the risks and threats relative to you, where you guys are and where you guys are gonna have to do it. This is a skill, a soft skill that is spoken, that really is not trained much and is not really spoken about. But it's a skill that you can take with you when you take your family to Disneyland. It's a skill you can take with you when you go to work tomorrow. It's a skill you can take with you when you leave your front door and try to go from your front door across the transitional space to your house, or a skill you can use at the gas station when you're just trying to get home to your family. This is a tremendous skill. It's a superpower of a real true protector, and we are so honored to have one of the best, foremost experts in this field come and bring this survival skill to us at Protector Symposium 6.0 Apocalypse. Boom! Yo, go to protectorsymposium.com to get your tickets while they last. They're gonna run out. This event is a once-in-a-lifetime training opportunity, literally.